Our universe is vast. It is filled with billions of galaxies. Each galaxy holds billions of stars, yet this might not be all there is. The idea of a multiverse proposes a reality beyond our own. It suggests that our universe is just one of many. This concept challenges our understanding of existence. It raises profound questions about our place in the cosmos. The multiverse is a source of ongoing debate. Is it science or fiction? Exploring this question takes us on a journey. We will delve into cosmology, physics, and philosophy. Understanding the multiverse requires an open mind. It demands we confront the vastness of the unknown. The idea of multiple worlds is not new. Ancient Greek philosophers pondered the possibility. Atomists, like Democritus, imagined infinite worlds. These worlds formed from the collisions of atoms. During the Middle Ages, scholars continued the discussion. The idea of a plurality of worlds emerged. This concept challenged the geocentric view of the universe. In the 19th century, the term multiverse was first used. William James, a philosopher, introduced the term. However, his usage differed from its current scientific context. In the 20th century, quantum mechanics emerged. This new theory offered a framework that could accommodate the multiverse. The idea gained traction among physicists. Today, the multiverse remains a topic of active research. Cosmologist Max Tegmark offers a classification system for multiverses. He outlines 4 levels. Each level expands on the previous one. Level 1 describes an infinite universe. In this universe, regions beyond our observable horizon exist. These regions may contain identical copies of our universe. Level 2 introduces the concept of eternal inflation. This theory suggests that our universe is one bubble in a larger multiverse. Each bubble could have different physical laws. Level 3 delves into the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This interpretation states that every quantum measurement creates a new universe. Each universe represents a different outcome. Level 4 is the most expansive. It proposes a mathematical multiverse. This multiverse encompasses all possible mathematical structures. These structures represent universes with different laws of physics. Physicist Brian Greene offers a different classification. He proposes 9 types of multiverses. These types are based on various theoretical frameworks. The quilted multiverse suggests that space is infinite. It contains repeating patterns of regions like our observable universe. The inflationary multiverse arises from the theory of cosmic inflation. This theory explains the rapid expansion of the early universe. The brane multiverse comes from string theory. It proposes that our universe is a 3-dimensional membrane. This membrane floats in a higher dimensional space. Other branes representing other universes may exist. The cyclic multiverse suggests that our universe undergoes cycles of expansion and contraction. Each cycle creates a new iteration of the universe. Other types of multiverses proposed by Greene include the landscape multiverse, the quantum multiverse, the holographic multiverse, the simulated multiverse, and the ultimate multiverse. Section 5. Forging a multiverse arguments in favor. The multiverse concept has gained support. Several arguments bolster its plausibility. One argument stems from the theory of inflation. Inflation suggests that the early universe expanded rapidly. This rapid expansion could have created other universes. Another argument arises from string theory. String theory attempts to unify all the forces of nature. It suggests the existence of extra dimensions. These extra dimensions could accommodate other universes. The multiverse could also explain the fine-tuning of our universe. The constants of nature are precisely set. These precise settings allow for life to exist. This fine-tuning might seem improbable. However, a multiverse could offer an explanation. In a multiverse, countless universes with different constants would exist. We would naturally find ourselves in a universe suitable for life. Section 6. The multiverse on trial arguments against. Despite its allure, the multiverse faces criticism. One key challenge is testability. Directly observing other universes seems impossible. This inability to test the multiverse hypothesis raises concerns. Some critics argue that the multiverse is not a scientific theory. They claim it is a philosophical concept. They contend that science requires empirical evidence. Another criticism relates to Occam's razor. This principle favors simpler explanations. Critics argue that the multiverse is an unnecessarily complex explanation. They suggest that simpler explanations for the universe's features might exist. The debate over the multiverse is ongoing. It is a vibrant area of research. Scientists continue to explore the implications of the multiverse concept. Section 7. A universe tailored for us. The anthropic principle. The anthropic principle is a philosophical consideration. It is relevant to the multiverse debate. The principle states that the universe is fine-tuned for life. This fine-tuning is evident in the values of physical constants. If these values were even slightly different, life as we know it could not exist. The anthropic principle suggests that our existence as observers might explain this fine-tuning. In a multiverse scenario, countless universes with different constants would exist. We would necessarily find ourselves in a universe with life-permitting conditions. This is because we are the observers. The anthropic principle raises questions about the nature of observation and the role of consciousness in shaping reality. It remains a topic of debate. Section 8. Many worlds, one reality. Modal realism. Modal realism is a philosophical view. It adds another layer to the multiverse discussion. This view proposes that all possible worlds are equally real. This means that every possible outcome of every event exists in some world. Modal realism challenges our intuitive understanding of reality. It suggests that our universe is just one branch in an infinite tree of possibilities. Proponents of modal realism argue that it offers a more elegant and parsimonious explanation of reality. They suggest that it avoids the need for a privileged actual world. Critics argue that modal realism leads to counterintuitive and absurd consequences. They question the notion that all possible worlds are equally real. The debate between modal realism and other metaphysical views continues. Section 9. Conclusion. The unfolding cosmos. The multiverse remains an enigma. It is a topic that ignites scientific and philosophical debate. The idea that our universe is just one of many is both intriguing and daunting. While there is no definitive evidence for the existence of the multiverse, several theoretical frameworks suggest its plausibility. Arguments for and against the multiverse revolve around testability, complexity, and the nature of reality itself. The multiverse challenges our understanding of our place in the cosmos. It compels us to confront the limits of our knowledge. As we continue to explore the universe, the question of whether we are alone or part of a grander multiverse will likely persist. The search for answers promises to deepen our understanding of the universe and our place within it.